I'm harvesting eggplants for supper. Eggplant, also known as aubergine, is a versatile fruit in the same family as tomatoes and peppers. It has shiny, deep purple skin and soft, spongy flesh, making it popular in cooking worldwide. Eggplants come in different shapes and sizes, and because they have a mild flavor, they soak up seasonings really well. They're great for grilling, roasting, or sauteing. Plus, they're low in calories but high in fiber, antioxidants, and important vitamins like B6, vitamin C, and potassium. Here are the eggplants I harvested earlier. I'm only going to cook a few of them and save the others for another dish. This is the longest one I've harvested so far. Today, I'm going to make one of my favorite eggplant dishes, an eggplant omelet, also called tortang talong. I'm roasting or grilling the eggplant until the skin gets a little charred. Charring makes it easier to peel the skin off. Some people prefer to leave the skin on by boiling the eggplant, which is a bit faster than roasting. It's also healthier since the purple skin of the eggplant contains an antioxidant called niacin. An indoor grill is quite convenient, but I only use it for veggies. Grilling fatty meats can easily cause a fire. While the eggplants is being charred, I'll prepare the eggs. I like to use a lot of eggs when making omelets, but today I'm only going to use 3, which should be more than enough. I'm adding a little bit of salt to the eggs to give them and the eggplants some flavor. I mashed or flattened an eggplant into the egg to soak up the mixture. I want to make sure both sides of the eggplants get coated with eggs. I'm waiting for the oil to heat up so I can start frying the eggplant mixture. By the way, this is how it looks after I peel the skin off the eggplants. can't get that piece of eggplants out of the eggs. The stems are usually kept on the eggplant, probably for presentation purposes. It also makes handling the eggplant easier when frying. Besides frying, I think baking is the easiest way to cook. Just prepare the ingredients, place them in a baking pan, pop it in the oven, set the timer on, and you're done. Plus, you can get other things done while the food is cooking. No need to stand by the stove. I should have added a bit of oil. Eggplants soak up oil really well. I should mention that I'm not a skilled cook. I usually make dishes that are easy to prepare and need just a few ingredients, but I like to experiment in the kitchen by mixing whatever I have in the fridge and adding different herbs. Sometimes it turns out great, but other times it doesn't. There are also times when I try to recreate dishes I've tasted at restaurants, and I think I've been pretty successful at it, judging by my husband's comments. I believe everyone has their own unique way of cooking the same dishes. There's no right or wrong method as long as it tastes good and is close to how it's meant to be. Oops. I removed the stems from this batch. I usually serve the eggplant omelet with dipping sauce, but my husband doesn't like it much. So I'm going to try a different approach by adding some oyster sauce for extra flavor. I'm mixing it to combine the eggs and the oyster sauce. Then, I'll mash the eggplants into the mixture before frying. There's a piece of eggplant floating in the egg mixture. Three eggs are more than enough to cover 4 eggplants. Then again, they are small eggplants. Let's add the eggplants. And mash them with a fork. I'm thoroughly mashing the eggplants and blending them with the eggs to create a dish that will look like darkened scrambled eggs, enriched with eggplants and oyster sauce. He'll recognize it as an eggplant omelet, but he'll hardly notice the eggplants. I should have cut the eggplants into smaller pieces. It would be a lot easier to mash them. I'm using the same pan as before. There's no need for a clean one since I'm still cooking eggplants. The only difference is that I added oyster sauce. When I was younger and newly married, I couldn't and wouldn't cook unless I had every ingredient. I had to follow the recipe exactly. Now that I'm older and wiser, I'm more flexible. I'll swap ingredients, improvise, or keep cooking even if something's missing, as long as it doesn't change the taste too much. I'll turn the eggs one more time and then it'll be done. I was never successful at turning eggs in one piece. They always break. The eggplant and oyster sauce omelet is ready, so I'm turning off the heat. It doesn't look as appetizing as a regular omelet, mostly because of the color. I'll let you know how it tastes and whether he likes it or not. Here are the two kinds of eggplant omelets. I garnished them with green onions from my garden. I also prepared a dipping sauce for the plain omelet. While some people like to use fish sauce for dipping, I prefer soy sauce and lemon juice. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, and share it with your friends. Your comments are greatly appreciated. Don't forget to click the notification bell to stay updated on the latest videos. Again, thank you and see you next time. Happy gardening!